Imagine that the city where everyone has access to safe, durable, and accessible housing, where like a clean air and water are a given, to green space abound, where communities is thrive, and everyone feels a sense of belonging. This is a vision of sustainable cities and communities like the 11 Sustainable Development Goals. Right now, my name is Faiz Asa Arundaya. I want to explore the challenges we face in achieving this vision and discuss how we can all play a role building more resilient and equitable urbans and environments. So one of the biggest challenges is urban sprawls that the cities as a cities is expand rapidly. They often to encourage on valuable agricultural land, leading to environmental degradation and increase reliance on automobiles. This is where we contribute to traffic congestion, air pollution, and higher carbon footprint. Like furthermore, unplanned urban growth can exacerbate social inequalities, leaving marginalities communities behind, and creating a sense of that isolation. So the challenge too is inadequate infrastructure. Like there is another major concern. Many cities struggle with limited access to clean water and sanitation, unreliable public transportation, and insufficient waste management system. That this issue can have a serious for the health and environmental consequence, impacting the quality of life for a million people. But there is the hope we can address this challenge by the firstly we have to promote the sustainable urban planning, like the encourage compact mix use that development and investing in the green infrastructures like park and bike lanes, improving public transportation, that it can be invested efficient and affordable public transportation system such as like a bus, train, or subways. And the third one, we have to promote the renewable energy, because transition to renewable energy sources like a solar and wind power is can be reduced to carbon emission and improve that qualities. And the fourth one, we have to empowering local communities, because engaging citizens in this decision making process and ensuring that their voices and heard in urban planning initiative. And building sustainable cities is just not the responsibility from the government and policymaker, but each of us has a role play to can choose, like we can choose to walk, bike, or use public transportation instead of driving, so we can readjust for our consumption and waste, and we can to support the local communities business and advocate that policies that it can be make a sustainability. So let us work together to create cities that are not only in economically prosperous but also social for environmentally friendly. So let us build a future where everyone can enjoy the benefits of urban living while respecting to this planet. So thank you for your attention, and I believe that by working together we can create a more sustainable and equitable future for all.